Hi, Natalia is here. In this video, we will look at real-life case. The methodology of crowdsourcing is exciting, but you may wonder how we can implement it into practice. Let's look at the example of the archives of Latvian folklore. Like more and more research institutions, they turn to crowdsourcing to digitalize and enrich their electronic collections. Imagine how many expeditionary records have been accumulated over the decades. Most 19th and 20th century documents are handwritten or typed on a typewriter. They are hard to study with modern computer tools. So, let's build a text transcription pipeline to make archives more accessible for researchers and the public. Suppose we have several thousands of scanned documents. We don't know how many of them contains drawing, musical notes, or something other than text. What should our first step be? How we will build the whole pipeline? Simple. We will use decomposition and make the whole process efficient. We can start by classifying documents into two categories, with and without text. This simple and cheap task will save us time and budget, because we don't need transcription attempts for non-text documents. Toloka has a lot of interface templates for a wide variety of tasks. For this project, we can use the image classification template. Now, we will use only pictures containing text. Let's make our life easier and break documents into smaller chunks. Looking at an old handwritten can be hard. Performers easily get tired of long tasks. As you know, longer tasks are harder, so they cost more. Moreover, longer tasks lead to more mistakes, so smaller chunks will make tasks easier for performers, and you will get better quality results faster. So, the next step is outlining the paragraphs in pictures. We'll use the selecting a region in an image. You can split an image into lines, paragraphs, or other chunks. So check the quality. We'll use a binary classification project again and ask other performers if the documents have been segmented correctly. We can use non-automatic acceptance option to send results of the segmentation stage to a new project. Just don't forget to state the number of days for checking the task in the deadline field. For example, 7. So performers will know when to expect feedback and payment. Another crucial detail here is instructions for segmentation and checking segmentation. How will performers know what you expect from them? Describe what a good and a bad segmentation is. Show examples for each case. And finally, text recognition. We have the text recognition from an image template, which can be used right away. This is a very common task for Toloka, allowing us to use reliable quality control techniques, such as golden set and majority voting. What can you do to influence the quality of the result? Start by adding a restriction for fast responses. Add the control task to filter out performers who often make mistakes. With control tasks, you can benefit from overlap and measure quality based on skills and agreement in the overlap. Here is how the full pipeline will look like. We start with the collecting of scanned documents and classifying them into two categories. Then, we take images with text and use the segmentation task to make smaller, more manageable chunks. Then, correctly segmented documents are transcribed piece by piece. After transcription is checked, you can aggregate and merge parts to get a full machine-readable text. We applied decomposition, designed task with motivation in mind, and got a simple pipeline. Now you can tweak details to reuse and scale this pipeline for new transcription projects. Try it yourself, using our hands-on tutorials.